Hello viewers, thank you for joining us again in our tutorials. Today's question, we want to solve this number-based question. And in this question, we want to figure out the value of y. If this is your first time of seeing me on the internet, please sit back and enjoy. If you find value at the end of the day, please subscribe. With that being said, let us dive into the question right now and right now. Okay viewers, in this question we want to figure out the value of y. Okay, this is called 221 base y, and this guy is 25 base 10. When a number is written without any base, that number is automatically in base 10. So the first thing we want to do is to convert these guys to base 10 and we solve the equation and get the value of y. So how do we convert this guy to base 10? I'm going to put up a 0, 1 and 2 right here. So I will say 2 multiply y to the second power. So I have 2 times y to the second power. Then plus I have 2 times y to the first power. And lastly, I have 1 times y to the 0th power. Then all equal to 25 because this guy is already in base 10. Now we simplify up this guy. So I have y squared times 2 will give me 2y squared. Then this guy will give me 2y, and this guy will give me y to the power 0 is 1. Then times 1, I'll have 1 equal to 25. Of course, I'll take this guy to this side, so I have minus 25. So I now have 2y squared plus 2y plus 1 minus 25 equal to 0. What is 1 minus 25? So I have 2y squared plus 2y, minus 24 equal to 0. Now there's a common term here which is 2. So if I divide all sides by 2, if I divide here by 2, I'll have y squared. If I divide here by 2, I'll have just y. If I divide here by 2, I'll have minus 12 equal to 0. Now we have a quadratic equation and we want to solve this quadratic equation. We are looking for two values. Let me take this guy up here. So I have y squared plus y minus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, so at this point I'm looking for two values such that when I multiply these two values I'll get minus 12. Then if I add these two values I'll get plus 1. What could these values be? The values are just 4 and 3, and it is actually plus 4 and minus 3. Okay, why? Let us see if it is true. 4 times minus 3 will give me minus 12, and 4 plus minus 3 will give me plus 1. So the values are just 4 and minus 3. So I'm going to rewrite these guys as, this guys becomes, I open a bracket like this, all equal to 0. So I have my y inside like this. So the first value is plus 4, and the second value is minus 3. I hope this is easy, right? Okay, so at this point, these guys are a product of each other to 0. So I'm going to equate each of these guys to 0. So I have y plus 4 is equal to 0. Or you say y minus 3 is equal to 0. Of course, you can get the value of y from this point. You can say y is equal to minus 4. When you take this guy to this side, it becomes negative 4. That's the first value for y. And secondly, you can say when you take this guy to this side, it becomes positive 3. So you have y is equal to 3. Now, since we are talking about number bases, at this point, our answer will not be minus 4 because our base will not be a negative number. So the real value or the real answer to this question is y is equal to 3. So thank you for watching. If you really enjoyed what we do here, please consider subscribing, and I would like to see you in the next tutorial. God bless you and bye.